This 2026 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a classic farmhouse interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.